Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope everybody's feeling good. Happy hump day. Happy CPI day. Gosh, what trouble can we get into today? What type of trouble can we even get into today? Work. What's up, work? Good morning, King. Good morning, King, man. Let's see if we can get set up for Lucid here. We have a Lucid account. I gotta set this all up so I'm ready for it. Open new window. Oh, not like that. Like this. This is all weird looking. Not used to having this. What up, bro? Been out? How you been? What's up, Stigma? Good morning, King. Good morning, man. Just trying to get Lucid set up. As you guys can see, this is Lucid, a little bit different. Hey, yo, PPI went stupid. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. CPI. What's up, Elijah? Good morning, King. Wildflower. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Hope everybody's having a great hump day. Good middle of the week. CPI just came in strong. Oh, that's PPI. My fault. Tomorrow's CPI, yeah. Good morning, GM. Max. Good morning, King. Did Lucid have some discount? Still hump day. Yes, sir. Caesar. Good morning, Paul. Is that straight to funded? This is not a straight to funded. This is just the Lucid. I just wanted to give it a, this is just the test account. I wanted to give it a, you know, just a try. I'm trying to get everything set up real quick. Trades. Accounts. This is the same as Project X. They're just a little bit different. Don't need this on anymore. Down here. Don't need all these down here. Just trying to get the chart looking nice for us all. Good morning, Ryan. Welcome in, King. We got 1 minute till the news drop, or till open market opens. Morning, Dave. Welcome in, King. It's that hump day. I got Lucid 50K about to get paid. I need one more win. Let's go, Paul. My first try with Lucid here. I want to get everything to be the way we're normally used to it. Background solid, but I don't like that color. I like a little bit lighter, you know, something I can work with. Symbol. No. There we go. Sorry, y'all. I should have already done this. Let's see what we got. Is that the direct? Good morning, Keith. Welcome in, man. What if it shoots up? You have 5 Lucid and 5 Topstep. I don't right now. Only got 1 Lucid, and I just got the test account. I just wanted to, you know, dabble with it, learn it a little bit, play with it. I haven't gotten the 5 yet. We do have our 5 combines. Actually, I haven't even gotten these yet. You can pass in a day, but with funding, there is a 35% consistency rule, and it's 1200 DLL. Yeah, I like that, though. Selling into this bottom here. Look at the sell-off. Off the 3997s there. Opening print candle price. Selling into the VWAP. Below, we have the data print low. I wouldn't necessarily be trying to long this pullback yet. I mean, yeah, long this dip. Really quickly, we're going to use this time. Try to get these other accounts going. I only have, like I said, 1 Lucid account. I just wanted to kind of play with it, learn it a little bit, get more comfortable with it. I also want to get our, it's so funny trying to relearn how to like do this. There we go. Let's get the hourly on. Let's get the VWAP on. We don't even have VWAP yet. There she is. Let's change it to being a nice color so I can actually focus. Need an EMA. We need an EMA. Hope everybody's feeling good, feeling excited. All right, we're pretty much set up here now. This is Lucid. This is Topstep. See what type of trouble we can get ourselves into, y'all. Let's get this money. Morning, TLR. Welcome in, King Pat. Just saw you, King. Good morning. Look what day it is. Look at the sell-off into the bottom of this range here. 1K, 4K. What are you talking about, Elijah? You making money over there, King? Are you making money over there, King? 1 second, y'all. Just going to quickly get these last little bit of combines going. We only have one. Bought 1 and 1. It's very busy yesterday. Trying to just do these last little things here. Buying a third one. Bink, bink. Shout out Topstep for making it easier to purchase now. There's 2. I'm excited about Lucid, guys. Daily loss limit up top. A little bit of things are different, but I like them overall. Again, mostly similar to Topstep. I did look into it as well, y'all. Sadly, the trade syncer that I was hoping would be able to tether these two so that it would all be through one trade isn't really working for Lucid. I guess it works for Topstep, but not for Lucid, even though they're both for Project X. So I'm either going to have to spend some more time learning and figuring that out. That's 4. Or maybe y'all have any insight there or what. But dude making 4K every day. Yeah, he is. Elijah says quick scalper. 60 to 40s real quick. 24K whole number. That sell off the 24s was wild. We just got our 5th account. Let's get these all sharing. Copy trading. Leader account. Save it. Put our risk on. Daily loss. No, I don't want daily loss. Project. Oh, we're on a follower account. Let's go to the leader. Risk $300. Profit $1,500. This is how I always set my brackets up, y'all, on new accounts. Got my leader here. What a sell-off off that opening print candle price there. Getting into this EMA. I don't really know if we're going to be able to push through there. Bank heist Elijah. Yes, he is. Quick short scout, 20 points. Let's go. Max, good trading, King. Let's go, boys. All right, we got Lucid set up. I only have 1 account. I just wanted to kind of feel how it would be if I like them. We also got a code with them, guys. We signed up for the affiliate code, and they were like really quick about it. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it all goes. I'm getting an ad on YouTube now. Skip. All right, we're dialed. No more setting things up. We're ready. Look at the selling off that print candle. Obviously, with the high here, we just tapped into pretty much overnight or all-time high. Barely rejected by a few points there. Overall, feeling pretty bullish. We might go take out the low of this candle print, but we'll see. We will see. We will see. It's hump day. How we doing, y'all? We excited? Today is PPI. Tomorrow CPI. Or tomorrow's Jolts and CPI. Tomorrow's a big day. We pushed up to the 24K whole number off of a nice push. Rejecting a little bit here off the opening print candle. Max and Elijah taking quick scalps. So far, not a whole lot going on, though. Market's only been open for 6 minutes. So far, I like Lucid. It's the same as Topsteps. It's the same as Topstep. I only have 1 account with them, and I just did the test account instead of a direct because I just kind of wanted to, you know, get used to it a little bit. But also, y'all, Apex is live right now with a attractive 1 day to pass. So if anyone trades that, usually you have to do the normal, I think it's 8 days to get a performance account. But now, right now, it's only a 1 day to pass. So that's kind of attractive. You still have to pay for the activation fees, so it's not like super. They have an 80% right now and a 1 day to pass. So you get 80% off, 1 day to pass, but you got to pay for activation fees, obviously, still. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Now I just got to make sure I don't mess up. Like, this is Lucid. This is Topstep. Lucid, Topstep. I got to make sure I don't treat them differently. Or, yeah. 2050Ks with Apex. Cough, cough. Pat wants it. Patrick. It's so tempting. They are cheap right now, and it's 1 day to pass. Do you guys want to sit here and watch me go purchase 20 Apex accounts? It's so annoying. It's so slow. It's coming, big bro. He wants it. It is coming, brother. It is a little bit of time. Maybe we play with Lucid a little bit. Try Lucid out before anything crazy. I know Dave and... So what? Dave and Paul, are you guys the only ones that use Lucid here? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. How we living today? Welcome in, Sam. The man. How you doing, brother? Feeling good. Also, no activation fee for upfront till the 15th. Look into it. I like that till top Filmania. You talking about for oh, you talking about Apex still? If they have no activation fees as well, gonna take profit 2 days to pass activation included, and after the buffer you can take a payout immediately. Wildflower. Is that what you use? I like that there's so many options right now, honestly. Only use Topstep. No consistency is amazing. I agree. Pat likes take profit trader as well. Daily payouts is attractive. I agree. That is crazy. Canelo or Crawford? Ha! Juan, the man. Always with the questions. Can't fake Canelo. Can't fake Canelo. I like Crawford. I do, but man, it's like Topstep, but it's called up. You profit. Oh, up profit. It's like Topstep, but it's called up profit. Never heard of them. Top Filmania, but I'll check them out. I appreciate it. No activation is pretty attractive. Not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie about it. That's pretty attractive. Bum 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 bum. Take profit is cool, but trailing drawdowns are real pain. I agree. No consistency after evaluation. That's attractive as well. $100 for a 50K with no activations. $100 for a 50K is pretty chill. Once you're over the buffer, most people copy trade 5 TPT accounts and micros on take daily payouts. Is it you have to have winning days with them too, guys? Same like Topstep, 5 winning days. Then stack that with Apex or Topstep accounts for big payouts. Pat, we want the big fat payouts. Me too. I'm trying to decide because basically right now we're trying to scale up. I don't want to scale too aggressively. That's why right now I only have 1 Lucid. So technically today we're trading 6 accounts, most we've ever traded. But I want this to be 10. Might have 5 Lucid accounts here in a little while. We'll see. Are we looking downside right now? We're rejecting the VWAP. EMA is curling through kind of aggressively. We obviously hit that 24K nearly all time. Are we starting to sell a little bit? No, she says. I'm on 6 accounts for you. I would go 10, then 20. Pat. I am interested. Could be kind of crazy. like I said, y'all, we got a discount code with Lucid, but I don't really know how to like activate it, or I guess they set one for us. Like I don't know how to customize it. I don't know. Trying to figure that out. I'm on 6 accounts. Limit at 918. Our man Ryan trying to buy this bottom. Trying to predict the bottom here at the 18s. Previous day close. Not even. Previous day close is, well, actually, what is previous day close? Previous day high, 845s. I mean, yeah, 885s. Interesting, interesting. You can reach the buffer in a day, and if you go over the buffer, you can get a payout. Oh, okay, so it's no winning days. So you can just get paid instantly after you pass the evaluation, like you're saying. Interesting. Take profit trader. Take profit trader might be attracting us. We might consider it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Like, what's the most realistic way to scale up? Like, I was hoping to use, obviously, Project or Lucid, just because we're used to them. We know how it works. And I was also hoping to have them all copy. But if I can't do that, then you have to execute trades individually. I don't know. I don't know. I don't mind Project X. I feel safe with them, but at the same time. So technically, after 2 or 3 days, you can get a payout. They are, it's something. What did we just get down to? 817s. Ryan, what a did you get limited on that, bro? Oh, 1825. Did you really get missed by a quarter tick, bro? Did you really get missed by a quarter tick there? That's criminal. I think you're doing the right thing. Just does Lucid have the trade copier? Just add 4 more accounts and you'll be at 10. Yeah, Pat, they do have a trade copier. Might just add them, like you're saying. It is $100. I think their rules is $100, no activation fee for their test account. I was gonna do. I'm in targeting data high. Hell yeah, Ryan. Music's hyped me up. Good trade on that 18s, dude. But yeah, no, they do have trade copier as well because they're through Project X. So yeah, I might just do that. Might be easy. The only thing is I'll have to trade them 2 separately, so I'll have to like bounce back and forth like we're doing now. But I don't mind it. Let's take a quick gander, make sure that it is what we're hoping for. Targeting data high, stop 500 prof. What a sell-off off the VWAP there. Back into the targeting target lows with midnight open and a few other things. With that 18 price, I like that. Still selling right now. Market with a strong PPI data print up to the 24,000s. From there, we've just kind of been retracing. Selling's trying to keep this momentum going. Selling's trying to keep this momentum going. There he is. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Gold Rain. Right now, we are finding a little bit of momentum after the selling try to get through there. I think that might be... Where do we get down to the 12s? Nearly midnight open. I mean, market print open. Do we think this bottom could be the 910s? Depending on this reaction of VWAP, might still be looking like the strength here. Biggest sell volume candle of the day so far. It's not the most power, but it is holding as a bottom. From there, we could keep pushing up. Obviously, the data high is the obvious target, with all-time highs being above it. This 882 flat feels like a pretty susceptible spot, though. Not gonna lie. Soul ripping into the 224 is crazy work. Solana, she's ripping, holding off this VWAP again. Selling off this VWAP again here. Our first 15 minutes, let's get it drawn out for us. Not super exciting, not gonna lie. Opening print candle price being our top of our 15-minute range. Can you dig it? Here she is. First 15-minute range. Market's trying to sell through the bottom. We actually did get a candle to rip through the bottom and then found some support there. Kind of want to take a little stab here. TPO is showing me 850s also. Good morning, Jared. Welcome in, King. Good morning, peeps. Have I missed anything important? Saucy. Everybody say what's up to the man, the myth, our moderator. But you haven't missed anything too big yet, King. Just messing around with stuff. TPO is showing me 850s also. What is TPO, sir? Am I brain farting that? You have an 850 downside target. Isn't it bad? I like the idea that we could at least go push through these. Morning, brother. Yes, sir. Still holding the bottom of this 15-minute range at the moment after getting a little bit of a push through. We didn't take out NQ all-time high yet. No, sir, we have not. We just tapped into a near price with that PPI candle. Real all-time high is the 4070s, roughly. 4070, and we got to the 44s, 2444, right? Yeah. So about 26 points off of all-time high. Time, price, opportunity, market profile, TPO. I like that. Appreciate it, Jared. We all learning. We all learning. Time, price, opportunity to the 850s. Brr. I wouldn't mind a long here with the biggest sell volume candle of the day so far through the bottom of the range. Buyers held. Getting back to the VWAP. If we hold VWAP, we could keep pushing. We got to get through this, though. Wouldn't want to see the sellers be able to keep this down through this VWAP if we're going to continue. Keith being the man. One more sub to hit 700. You guys are really going to leave it at 699. That's crazy. Anybody here wants to be that big old 700 whole number? Come on. Join the family. Let's get it. Starting to push through the VWAP. This flat price at the 950s is going to be from there. I mean, the 60s would be pretty easy. So we got to get through the VWAP here. Big obstacle. Got back in at the midnight open, back at the 18s. I like that. Way to re-enter, Ryan. Way to re-enter. Let me go ask my grandma to sub so we can celebrate. I got you, Tyler. 700 subs, Ryan. Ryan. Yo, I'm not going to lie, Ryan. You've been here for a while. Why are you just now subbing? But you're the man. Welcome in. Welcome. Happy 700. Let's fucking go, you guys. Big Easy. That's the funniest shit ever, though. We will welcome her with some arms. A big old hug for the grams. Market is still rejecting the VWAP at the moment. We got back to the... Still trying to hold. We're still inside of the 15-minute range. Right now, I'm just being patient. Oh, man. So we can't copy trade. So if we want to do 10 accounts, y'all, we got to be doing 2 different trades, which isn't too bad. 10 accounts for only 2 trades. I mean, it makes sense. This is Lucid, as you guys can see up here. A little bit different. Topstep. Yeah, we just got a Lucid code. I kind of want to try getting more. I want to try to play the 5 accounts. This isn't a straight to funded. These are just the test accounts staying. Still finding some selling through that range. Look at the rejection off the VWAP. Targeting the 9-0s. What a sell-off here. Where that grandma at? I do the same thing, bro. Just set your limits and have your bracket set up. You trade multiple trades to get into the same move. It's crazy. I don't know why. It just seems crazy. I'd like a trade sinker, but if we got to do that, we got to do that. We'll make it happen, Pat. I call that sell for 8K. wobbly at the knees, Elijah. Good trading, King. Come on. TPT and Topstep. I like that. I like that a lot. We're gonna go Topstep and Lucid for a little while. See how it goes. Eventually, I'll use a sinker with more accounts. I like that. Eventually, we'll all get there. Lucid isn't super, like, they're not super established. They haven't established themselves as, you know, they're just kind of newer. But looking at the 850s as a bottom. Hey, so was Jared. Also, the TPO, time price opportunity, bottom at the 850s he spotted. Maybe a target we're looking for. Took a quick scalp long off the MA 200 bounce on the 5-minute. Nice buffer for the day. Hell yeah, Sob. I like that, King. Was down 1,500 by 5 today. Was? As in your back, Max? Tell me your back, King. Last trade at 98.75. 5-point stop. $98.75. You're trying to still buy this bottom? Going to trail aggressively. I'm back. Hella, bro. Biggest day on Topstep. I'm back. Hella, bro. Biggest day on Topstep. Oh, my God, Max. Let's go. You dirty little dog. Hell yeah, man. Congrats. Pat yourself on the back. Biggest day, yeah. Make sure you're careful and lock those profits. I'm with sellers. Have a limit around VWAP. I like that, Pat. Pat's trying to target the downside. My only rejection is that this was the biggest sell volume candle of the day through the 15-minute range, and we held it. Now we're back to VWAP. It's a little bit interesting. It's a little bit interesting. Price is trying to hold, it seems like. I think we're going to take our first stab at potentially trying the longs. Max, you're eating this week, boy. Max payout incoming. Max! Come on, King. That's a $22,000 to your bank account. Let's go. Fire, Max. That's hard to do. My mental has been ruined. You got it, Sub. It's patience, brother. Just keep showing up. Are you back to combines or did you reset XFAs? Don't know how, bro. PA sucks. Price action is rough, but you're doing good. Here we go. Back off the sells, Pat. Finding the VWAP rejection. Back into the low of the day here. Selling's looking strong. W Chad. Nah, W Max. Come on. Max payout for Max. That's fucking epic, dude. Pat yourself on the back. Pat yourself on the back. It's not easy to do. All right, let's see what we got here. Still pushing through, going sideways at this big price. Hard to find a direction. Will be moved to live now, I guess. Is that your 5th payout? Because that's crazy. No, 1+ setup. No, 1+ setup. Asia or London sweep would be ideal. I agree, Dave. Nothing super attractive right now. Sleeping these lows would be kind of clean. The 80s. I guess that could be our target as well. Getting some weakness through the bottom of the range. It's hard to find an entry as we're just kind of choppy right now, but targeting the bottom of the range could be a play. No, A+. Got you. Yeah, this will be number 5. That's number 5 payouts out of the same accounts, Max. Because I think it's only out of the same accounts. I don't think it's not total. I've taken more than 5 payouts, but it's not. If you don't do it, like, out of the same accounts. But if you do, bro, you're live. And that's crazy. Maybe full port the accounts after payout lands. I don't really want to be moved to live. Yeah, I get you. What I would recommend is, depending on the size of your account, so if you're trading, are you trading 150s or 50s? If you're trading 150s, I would just try to get them to 35K. So that way, once they take out their 5K payout, you have 30 in each account, and then you'll get moved with the actual 150. 3K daily loss is crazy. So yeah, you're in the 150s. Oh, just 50s? Okay. So yeah, I mean, max you could get the accounts to is 15 grand. They'll take out their 5 for your final payout. That'll leave you at 10 in each account, and that'll move you live with a max 50. I have 21,400 in each account. Oh my word. That's so crazy, Max. W's, kid. Congrats, bro. It's fucking epic. Actually epic. Look at us just holding this sideways price action. The bottom of the range, we're still holding it. Getting back to the VWAP now isn't super attractive. Damn, man, y'all giving me hell of inspiration. That's what we do, Saw. We're all eating here. Hell yeah, Max. He said, take the year off. Take the year off. Rock it in. Call it a good one. It's a shame they capped the payouts. I would want to run it up. Yeah, dude, it is a shame. It is a shame, but it's the name of the game. Imagine when they didn't. It was crazy. Timothy, he's in here sometimes, and he smashed a fatty before they changed that. Take it slow is all I can say. I agree. Slow is steady. Steady is fast in trading. You lose money by trying to be quick and trying to make it happen fast. I really hope everybody's being as patient as you can. I know we had a lot of anticipation of today. Obviously the range. But right now the market's not offering a whole lot to be trading. So just being patient here. We're still holding the bottom of the 15-minute range. Compressed below VWAP. Above VWAP and above these 45s, I'll be pretty long. We have Lucid accounts. Do we try to get more? Do we use our own code to buy more Lucid accounts real quick? Get some of our money back from Lucid. Again, they are a newer prop firm. You giving Lucid a try? I am, bro. Look, we got, these are the Topstep right here. Lucid. We also got a, yes, bro, 40 to 30K payout. Pat, that's the dream. That is the dream. What are the perks? Wildflower asked. Perks of Lucid? What do you mean? Or perks of, yeah, what do you, I guess, what do you mean, Wildflower? Lucid, yes. The perks, I know it's really similar to Topstep's rules. They have 7 days, so you can do a direct account, which is kind of like right to straight to funded. So I like that. They have I don't think they have a max payout, which is pretty crazy. Have never heard of them, Max says. They're really new. They're fairly new. But Kane, I don't know if you guys know Trader Kane, and I know he's into them. They have they're fairly new. They haven't really established themselves yet, but they seem credible. Their rules are really similar to Topstep. So 1200 max DLL is the only thing I'm not super fan of, and you can only have Ty peep to 5-minute low key. Let me know what you think. I'll take a peek real quick, King. Well, we're getting compressed back to this VWAP. I think from here, Pat, we're coming up to the EMA. We got to get through here, and we could find some strength. It's going to be really interesting to see how we actually act at VWAP here. I think we're finally getting a little bit of strength, though, through the 15-minute range. Ty, Pete the 5. Good morning, fam. Good morning, Shiro. Welcome in, King. How many days for a payout? So there's 3 things that I'm like, they're a little bit different on. They have a daily loss limit of 1,200, so you can only lose, like, look at this. You can only lose 1,200, even though your max loss is still 2,000. You can only trade 4 contracts. So instead of the 5 that you're allowed on Topstep, you're only allowed 4, which really, I mean, we made that fat payout with the 150s with only trading 3 to 4, so it's not a big deal. And then for days for payout, it's not 5 like Topstep, it's 7 or 8. Let me actually guarantee that now, because now I'm confused. I think it's 8, I believe. But their rules are really similar. There's no activation fee, which I've been a fan of. Yeah, so like right here, this is the Lucid test account. No activation fee, $90 reset fee. The count's $90 as well. So yeah, this is kind of their rules. 1 day to pass is also attractive. Or you could do a Lucid direct account, which is just straight to funded. Same thing with the 1,200. Max days to payout is 8. And I think that's different for the Lucid test. Maybe, I don't know. Overall, though, I am a fan of I'm a fan to give them a try. We'll see what happens. I'm done trading for the day, but I would short the 50s, 60s. Appreciate you, Max. Been at it now for too long to stop, you know? Bro, the fact that you've been at it means you're getting closer and closer, brother, man. Max said he'd short the 50s, 60s. It's not a bad play as we coming into another zone and the 50%. For some reason, I feel like we're going to be strong through here, though. But it's worth maybe a quick stab. EMA starting to curl up as well. Here is the 60s. I don't get their consistency rules. I didn't realize there's no activation fee for a 50K. Yeah, Saab. No activation, Saucy. It's really nice. You just cheap, $100 and you're in their account. So it's like almost $100 cheaper than if you pass first try. The account's only $90. It's literally $110 cheaper than a Topstep account. What did you ask? I don't get their consistency rule, Keith. So it's 20%. So you can only 20% consistency rule. Your biggest day can't be over 20% of your account. So say I'm trying to take a 5K payout, I can't have my biggest day being $1,000, which would be 20%. I would use them one day, but it would not be my first pick. What's your first pick, Wildflower? Probably TPT, like you said. Maybe a straight to funded. That's what I mostly was attracted to them for, Wildflowers, because I'm really hoping to. I only wanted to try one test account so I could like kind of mess with it, but I'm not really trying to play with their test accounts. It is cheaper if you hit the test account. It's only like $500 for 5 accounts, which is really fucking nice. 5 accounts for 550K funded is so cheap. So if you pass the Lucid test account, it's really cheap. If you want to just be easy and go right straight to funded, Lucid Direct, I might do that if we pass these Topstep combines pretty easy. That way we can have 10 accounts. How much a day to pass? Maybe a straight to funded. LOL, yes, TPT, no doubt about it. Max saying you will make it. Yes, you will, Saw. Bro, this chart is testing my patience. You got this, up deal. How much a day to pass? Saucy. Oh, for the test, it's a 1-day pass. So you can make the 3,000 in 1 day. Then they'll move you to a Lucid. So it's $100. You get 1 test account. Same thing as Topstep. This is Lucid. Same thing, Project X. You pass it with the 1 day. Pay your $90. You just get the account next. And then you have, these are the rules once you're funded. So really, I mean, again, 5 50K accounts would only be $450. $450. And you'd have 5 Lucid 50K XFAs. Pretty crazy. Love to have taken this short right now. He has said it twice. He wants the short at these 60s. You don't think that we're finding some support here? It isn't. It's not a bad. It's worth a try. I don't like this flat price though. Max does like it. Potentially looking for a short here at these 60s, 70s. Stop would be at the 85s. You know what, Maxi? I like it. I'm going to short these 70s, targeting. It's tough, though, dude. I kind of feel like we're responding out of this a little stronger than you'd expect. I'll take a 300-point stop on it. Let's see. Wait, is this Topstep? It is. So where's my... No bracket orders. Okay, did I not set that? We're learning, guys. No, I did. Risk and profit. Automatically apply risk profit to new position. I didn't have that on. Got you. Make sure you guys have that little button ticked. So our profit is going to be somewhere around here. Our stop is going to be through these ranges. I'll put an 85 just because that's what Maxie said. We'll see. Don't really want to see this being able to push through these 70s. Small risk. Go back to the 40, 45s. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I don't mind it. Based on my strat, shorts are here as well, but being this close to all-time high, I'm sitting on my hands. That's good discipline, not newbie. There's a couple reasons why I could see this short holding. A few reasons, but at the same time, it is all-time high. Buyers are showing some strength, so technically kind of counter trend right now. Kind of counter trend by looking for a short, but we'll see what happens. We start getting validated at even at a contract below this EMA. We continue to get some support in our direction. It does make sense. So now, should we try taking this trade on our Lucid account too? Like, bum ba ba bum 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 ba ba bum 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 ba ba bum. Don't really want to get a closure above this flat price at the 76s. We want this to continue running our way. Won't go for a home run though, just back to the 45-40s. I agree. Realistically, VWAP. Realistically, VWAP. Real obstacle is going to be getting back through this 50% of the range, which we're tapping into right here. We'll see the reaction. They're starting to try it. Pulling back into the EMA here. See if the sellers can keep bringing this thing down. Don't really want to get any trouble. It's a little scalpy. Already 1-to-1. It's a good trade. Look at the pull into the VWAP. Look at the pull into the VWAP. Nice rejection off the VWAP, as in buying, picking up some orders. Might have been our exit there. Still targeting into the 43s. I would close at 45, he says. Max likes the short here to the 45s. Hanging out at the 52s. Great trade, Tyler, off the start. Hey, this was off the inside of Max. It wasn't quite a VWAP pull, but we're trying to. Kind of wanted to add another contract on that pullback. Happened pretty quick, though. I would have been out. I like that, Max. I'm looking for a pull to the VWAP. Don't really love it. I agree. I anticipate we're still going to get a click of the WAP. Decompressed selling volume, though, we definitely could hold here. Definitely could hold here. Still compressing below the 50%. Might even just add into this, try to keep this to continue. Yeah, I'm going to add and put break even on pretty much. Small loss on this. Wanting to see this keep carrying through to the VWAP here. Want to see the EMA rejecting. We basically tapped VWAP, it looked like. Good move, Ty. Yeah, we were close. We held it by a point or two or a tick. Did my top step just freeze on me? Are we having a still chart right now? 58s, 57s. Is my shit? Oh, I'm back. I'm back. We're back. We're back. That was weird. Good chance of getting broke even here. Still holding. My top step bugging. I agree. Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, you have been tapped out. We're about to be tapped out here, Max.
Order filled.
And we're tapped out. Nice trade into the 45. One is still expected VWAP to play there. Wow, the longs are looking pretty strong, though. Topstep just definitely bugged out. Don't forget to trade on both accounts same time. Pat, you right, bro. See, I'm already slipping. I'm already unused to it. Oh, I gotta be better. Took me a little while to remember that. Trading 6 accounts, hopefully 10 once I get used to it. It's weird because, like, you know what? Let me just treat them the same then. Let me get my box drawn out. Whoa, what is this color? Whoa. 44. Look at that 15-minute range. Took the 45 exact is crazy. It is crazy, Max. Bottom ticked the shit out of that, bro. And I was looking for VWAP. What a goof. And I was looking for VWAP. What a goof. Max is psychic. He's reading that. What are we looking for next? It's a good question, Caesar. Honestly, with the strength of the VWAP tap there, we're still kind of rejecting these highs at the moment, but data high seems like what we're looking for. Let's see this reaction back into the EMA. I might even take another VWAP long if we get an opportunity. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put limit order. Put our limit. Go to this one. Zoom it out. Put a limit order near the VWAP, near the bottom of this range. So now we're looking for the same play on both accounts. Still targeting overnight or previous day high or 50-minute range high, and then this data candle high. Still holding below these 60s though, these 70s technically. Between the 980 and 920 is a nice range, I think. I like that, Max. We'll see if that lines up. We will see if that lines up. Excuse me. Another attempt at this short here. Another attempt at these 60 shorts here. Jesus Christ. What, Elijah? What's going on, King? Break out this 20-point range already. She is tight right now. Not a lot going on. Why is... Did I take that order off but not on this one? See... It's going to be interesting, y'all. We're learning how to trade multiple things at once. This is how you scale up. It's exciting. A little difficult. Kind of like the strength here, but we're going to try it. Get used to it, bro. Could work. Imagine both accounts freeze at the same time. That's not even unlikely, Caesar. That's just Topstep X being bad. Shorting again. You need some balls, though. Total channel views are over 143,000, Ty. Unfucking real. You guys are amazing. All you got to do is trade both exactly the same. Don't want to see you make any mistakes. We'll make some mistakes, probably. A few learning, but that's the game. We're not scared of mistakes. But finding some pressure here at these 73s. Let's see if they break. Kind of feels like we're going to press through here. Have you looked at Apex? Max, we have. Their rules are pretty good right now. They have a 1 day to pass, which is attractive because you get those performance accounts. You can get those fat payouts. See, we wanted it. We bitched out. Apex is nice. It's just tough with the 40, with the 20. I just don't want to deal with the 30% rule. Their 30% rule is interesting. Trailing drawdown is unique and tough to learn if you haven't played with it yet and dabbled. So there's a couple things that make them a little tricky. Hey, look, the shorts up here worked again, and we didn't have the gumption. But yeah, no, I hear you, Max. They have some things that are attractive. Here we go. We're going to buy it. I'm going to try it on both accounts here. No, not sell. What the hell was that? Buy. Buy. See if we get a fill here to the VWAP. Both accounts. Holy shit. Just got missed. Still hoping for a fill. Took this second entry short. Nice job, Wildflower. Really good job. Short above 85 still makes sense. I'm in on demo account. Nice job, Max. That short is still playing. And now even on the retest of this side could be the continuation. Looks like we just got missed on something I wanted here on this pullback. Holy strength, man. What a candle. Look at this volatility toes. We got missed on our entry there, but you know what? We're moving our orders. We're looking to join this party. 37 people watching. You guys are amazing. I fucking love it. If you guys not hit the like button yet, make sure you do. Try to get these likes up on the stream. Subscribe if you're not. Join the family. Looks like fake buyers on Bookmap. Fake buyers pushing us up to this high right now. Another short entry potentially. The buying looks a little bit strong. Still creating a flat top here. We'll see what happens. We're looking for a fill at the 60s. Can I just get my fill, please, Nazi? We're crawling our order up, trying to get a fill. Almost might as well just limit buy at this point, the way we're entering. We are ranging 77 to the 44s. I like that, Pat.
Order filled.
Oh, I just got the double order fill. That was a notification. Got to get used to that. Do you guys hear that? It was a double fill. So interesting. All right, so now we don't have our brackets on this one set. So we're going to set our stop loss. This is Lucid. This is our Lucid trade. We're going to be down here with a 300 normal loss like normal. Targeting potential top of the range. Want to look for a break in an ad above these flatness. Let's make sure everything is somewhat similar. We're learning, y'all. We're learning. Trying to do multiple accounts here. To Mars, baby. Come on. Don't forget stop on Lucid. Appreciate you so much, Pat. Let's see if we can get some connection now. Got to get through this flatness. Want to see some volatility coming in, supporting us. A flat break above the 75s we could consider adding. We're still in the range where we could keep shorting, though, like Max and Wildflower are looking for. So let's just be patient. See what happens. I like the strength off the retest of the essential VWAP. The avoidance of it makes me bullish. Make the call, Sauce. Does he have it for the short, for the longs? Closure above the 76s. We're going to add into these positions. He's only the seller. Closure above there, we're adding, guys. Look at this flat price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wicks here at this flatness. Through here, there's going to be some obvious stops that are going to get punched. We'll see what happens after that. Go take out these obvious stop losses. Market will take a little bit of a pop from them. Once it takes all that liquidity out. Look at it. 5, 6, so many flat prices here. I anticipate this to break and get some connection through. We could get a retracement back in the zone once we pop it. We'll see. Pressure's building here. Pressure's building. Pop, 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 pop. Here it goes. Like a bag of popcorn. Pop, 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 pop. Got to get a closure. Don't want it to be a weak break. A weak break could bring us right back down to the VWAP. Kind of like that. That's fairly a weak break in my opinion. He's pushing. They want it. They want it. A close above these 76s. We're adding to both accounts here. Give us a Ronnie Coleman whop. Give me a closure through these 76s. And we're going to add some more contracts. Targeting the top of the range. Starting to get some separation. You got to keep waiting here. Closure up here we'll add. Don't want to see wicks. You guys know the rules. Starting to get a break now. We're going to add as soon as this candle closes. I'm adding. Break even's coming on Lucid. Break even's coming on Topstep. Bold. It could get ripped out of these. It's really interesting managing too. Wanted to see a continuation of the range. We don't even need 90. We just need 1500. Don't want to get tapped out. Want to see if we can get some continuation. Come on, Nazi. Find some strength here. Find some strength here. Now that we're through these, keep pressing for us. Getting an extension. Got to get to the top of the range. Time to bleed. One tick from being stopped on demo, LOL. Great trade management on both accounts. Thank you, Pat. Oh, no. We don't want to be stopped out. We want to get some support. Find some strength here, Nazi. Find some strength through these 80s. Targeting the top of the range, the 400 whole number. Or the 24,000 whole number. That's kind of shitty. Wait. 15, 15, 35. I'm targeting different prices. We're trying. We are learning. Still targeting these 24,000 whole number. Getting some strength into the 80s. Got to hold. Come on, Nazi. Got to get away from our break even. Got to get away from our break even. We're still pretty susceptible. Was hoping for a little bit more of an extension than we got. Might even just move it to a little bit of a stop, a little bit of a loss. Below the range. I just feel like we're going to get broke even before the move, sadly. I feel like our spot is in a susceptible space here. Got to keep popping stops. Oh, wait. You know what's crazy? Is Lucid's a one-day pass. So technically, you don't even need to target this. I could be targeting higher. So actually, you know what? Let's... fuck. I want to treat him almost differently. I'm going to move our stop loss lower on both. A little bit. Below this candle. Below this candle here. Below this candle here. On the Lucid, we're going to target... This is a one-day pass, so we could actually target more. Yeah, it's a one-day pass. Hope this makes all-time high for you, bro. I appreciate it, Max. It's kind of a risky trade. We'll see. Holding the EMA now. We want to continue to find some support up at these prices. Our stop loss feels really susceptible, sadly. No, here we go. Here we go. Come tease us. Yo, yeah. She's coming the other side now.
Order filled.
Bro, appreciate that $100. About to get paid $1,500. From that $100, Paul? Let's go, dude. Come on. That's amazing. Well, we got stopped out of both of those. Both are at a loss. This one was bigger for some reason. Let's recognize where we're at here in this chart. Let's recognize where we're at on this chart right now. Kind of want this buy. I'm buying it on these accounts. I'm also going to buy it on these accounts.
Order filled.
I don't have a stop loss on this one. I got to set my bracket order really quickly while I'm thinking about it. Risk is always going to be 300. This is going to be 1500. Set apply, save. Learning how to do 2 accounts at once, y'all. Yes, sir, Paul W. Paul W. Let's go. Everybody, show Paul. Back to the EMA here. Trying the other side of this trend. We got to get some support if we want this to continue. Back to this flat price range. I don't really like that. Got to see if we can get through those 70s again. Still have to set the stop loss, brother. Big, thank you. I'm sitting here staring at it, not even doing shit. And our TP. You still in that short, Wildflower? Closure above these 76s. We're adding into this contracts again. I'm going to add 3, though. If we get a closure above these 76s again. As of right now, nothing to do until that. Volume near the 60s. I like that, Elijah. No, just a scalp since we are in a range. Welcome back, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Hope you're having a good hump day. Good PPI day. We're trying to learn how to trade multiple accounts right now. Got to see if we can get this trend line to hold. I like the potential continuation. Just got to get it to hold. Flat closure above these 76s. We're going to add 3 contracts to both. For some reason, I still like the short. Max, he's in there. It's not a bad idea, dude. Right now, I just feel like the longs are doing the thing. Starting to get some pops now. Closure above these 76s. We're going to add into this. I'm grateful to have a group of friends who trade. I'm sure you guys know how unrelatable it can be to the other people and how challenging it can be at times. So W to the chat. I appreciate every single one. Fucking love it, Pat. Let's go, King. That means the most, dude. I appreciate the message. That's what we're doing this shit for. Getting our community so we can all do this shit together. W's, Pat. We're all learning together, King. Closure above these 76s, I'm going to add. We're at the 80s. Give me something, Nazi. Give me a pullback, and I'm in 3 here. Limit by 3. We're in 3 now. We're at 4. I got to do the same thing on this one. Buy 3. And now I got to watch. I got to put a tight stop on. I'm going to have a really tight stop for now. Tight stop for now. Hopefully get some continuation. Then we can put our break even on. Oh my God, dude. We're getting ripped apart. Max, the shorts, King. Are these new accounts? Yes, Danny, they are. We have 5 Topstep accounts that we're trying with. That we're down currently $900 now. And then we have a Lucid account. Trying to see how it's like to trade on 2 different things at once. We're trying to see. It's a little tricky. Yeah, it seems like it might come down a little. Looking like a second entry. Very possible. I agree. She does feel like she kind of wants to come down now, honestly. After rejecting that again. So let's try it.
Order filled. Order filled.
See if we can rotate the Macarena, Elijah. If she can't go up, she got to go down. The buying has been getting crushed. So now we're just going to see if we can catch this rotation. Welcome in, Queen Danielle. Absolutely, Pat. There's 40 people hanging out. You guys are amazing. If you haven't hit the like button yet, make sure to show the stream some love. Get that little thumbs up. A little bit of thumbsies. Maybe you can help us get some profit on the day, because right now we're struggling. I don't even really like VWAP. This is kind of the only spot. Are we going to find some support out of here now that after I've been trying to long this thing all fucking day and we've just been getting crushed? And now the longs are going to hold. Oh my good lord. Now this is a trade I can assist with. Saucy. Problem is the longs. They're not. They just wanted me to be out of the trade before they did the thing. You know. I just realized, guys, we almost just tapped into our daily loss limit on excuse me, on that Lucid. Let's see what happens when that happens. $100 more. Interested. First time seeing it on these. Come on, shorts. Do the thing where you've been just slapping one big fat order down my head every time I'm trying to get long. I don't even know if I spelled that right, but they blew their wad already. Yeah, you did. You think the longs blew their wad? Except Tyler should be with these longs because I got wicked out. We'll see what happens, Saucy. I feel like Lucid. Oh, maybe it's. I don't know. I feel like Lucid is slower than Topstep. Look how frequent this is ticking. Tick, 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 tick. This one feels slow. Maybe here. How do I change this from medium? See how this says medium? Charts, DOM, etc. Adjust in system settings. System settings. Charts and data. Medium. I want fast. Save. Make sure you guys do that for your accounts, by the way. Make sure you guys are doing that for your accounts, because it is a difference for sure. Maybe back to the 950-ish for the 920s or the 920s. I'm hoping to get a rotation back in towards these 50s. Yeah, see what VWAP plays. Wildflowers, kind of what I'm hoping to see out of these. We got back on the other side of the trend. We're finding some resistance, struggling to push higher. Would even consider adding another one below this low. I'm going to change up the way we've been doing this. Let's see if we can get a push here. I like this rejection. I'm going to sell another one.
Order filled.
On both accounts.
Order filled.
Adjust our stop on both accounts. Don't really want to see this get back up through the EMA here. Adjust our TP on both accounts. We'll add a third contract with a break of these lows at the 60s. There's another one there. We're going to short, put break even on. We're going to short, put break even on. Oh my goodness, don't come wick me out. Dude. All right, new strategy, because that early break even shit is not working out for the kid. We're just getting entracements immediately. Get me back up here. Limit sell. Wait. Oh no, it just didn't kick us out yet. Yo, learning how to trade two accounts is interesting right now. Over an hour in and still don't have a bias. That huge sell candle at the open makes visualizing the future pattern so hard for me. Yeah, that was a weird candle. Oh my god. All right, well, here's daily loss limit, what this looks like on Lucid. Which is weird because now I'm going to have this account with only 800 bucks tomorrow. So that's kind of interesting. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. And now we have to try to claw out of this drawdown. Break VWAP up. Wait, break VWAP. You'll be in profit. G, good luck. We will see. Thanks for the heads up, Ty. Thank you for the heads up, Ty. Wait, what did I? I'm going to treat myself to sushi tonight. Yes, sir, Max. King moves, brother. I was curious what it looked like to bust on Lucid. Oh, now you get... yeah, now we know. It's not even a bust either because it's just a daily loss limit. So we still have $800 in these accounts, but... I don't know. All right, this is my last attempt on these shorts. Even though it does look like we kind of held that 50%. Look at this, 50% of the range, and we came through and held it. Ooh, those fried shrimps are so good. Tough day, I agree, TLR. Hate the choppings. Escape, we're getting crushed right now by it. Just a day of learning. This is all just a day of learning. The market gives us learning lessons all the time. It is okay. Macro, we get paid. And the whole scale of it all, we get paid. Dude, this choppy tins is wild here at this range, though. Excuse me. I like Lucid so far, guys. First try with them. You know, we'll see. But so far, a little bit of a fan. We'll see. I mean, it's the same as Topstep. I like that aspect. It gives us the account or a chance to just double our account value, our accounts. Is this the push? Are we finally going to be strong? I'm going to short it, assuming that we're not. I'm going to put a short on, assuming that we're going to stay in a range here. I'm going to put a range on, assuming that we stay in this range. What's the max payout on Lucid? I don't think they have one, bro. Here, I'll take a gander, but look at this. No hard breach rules, clear path, no activation fee for the test account in the Lucid Direct, which is like how you get paid. Actually, maybe this isn't the... Yeah, max days to payout, max accounts, max position, consistency rule, but no peak. No max payout, I think. Am I seeing that wrong? Like, that's what I... No max payout is fucking crazy, guys. We're going to run this up. They do. Keith knows. Okay, Keith. Hell yeah. What is it, brother? All good, bro. I've been getting chopped up past few days as well. That's it, Mad Max. We're just learning. Acquiring some knowledge. Spending time. Keith says they do have a max payout for Lucid, so that'll be interesting. I'm going to add a second contract right here. We're in 2 now. I want to see this respect this range. I want to see this respect this range that we've been clearly establishing. I guess we can close Lucid now at the moment. Yeah, I don't think they have one, bro. I do not. We'll see. We'll see as we use them in the future. See these big black candles that came in and set the range? Hey, can we get another one of those, please? Let's get another one of those to set the range. Click the like link. Click the like link. Click the like link. I'm short at the 74.50s, but light size. I like that, Dave. See this hold out for you. And me. We're in this too. The like link. Click the like link. What are you talking about, Keith? Am I confused? Click the like link. I feel like I'm lost. I got it from their Discord. What do you mean you got it? Could you let us know, King? Let us know. What is their max payout? Because I did not know that, so that'll be nice to know moving forward. Button, the like button. I mean the link I send, my FF. I mean the link I send, my F. Button, the like button. Oh my. The like button. You talking about? I don't see no like button. Unless you're talking about the like button for the stream. Oh shit. What are we doing here, NASDAQ? Starting to respect this range again. Can we get a push to the other side of it? That'd be nice. I don't know, LOL. I like it. We'll see. Maybe Keith will share. I mean the link I send my friends. Maybe it's... Hopefully they don't have one. I'm really hoping they don't have one and we can just run it up, get rich. They take... What's their profit split, actually? It's got the chills. Got the chills so bad. Holy cow. Yeah, they also don't disclose their profit split. So I'm guessing they have one, and I'm guessing they do have a max. I'm out, guys. See you guys next time. Max, enjoy your day, King. Good trading today, brother. Appreciate you for being here. 1,300 away from passing 4 evals. You got this shit, Elijah. Starting to find some strength through this range. We might finally get the pops. Hell yeah, Elijah. That's crazy. Here we go, guys. We're finding some strength. Ooh. Gross. Finally finding the strength here. Gross against us as well. Let's get a return back to that, eh? Show me a little sweep. Show me a little sweep and a push back to the range. Chop Suey might wait for CPI. I like that, Elijah. Not a lot going on here, King, at the end of the day. Yeah, they also don't show their profit split, you guys. So I'm starting to think that there are some sneaky rules here that we're not aware of. Let's just find out. Chat with us. Okay. Ask a question. General questions. Wait. Never mind. All right. You're making me sad. You won't even let me type right here. How much is profit? Typing to the side, sorry. Split and max payout. Let's learn, y'all. Let's learn. 1 to 2 payouts on 50K is 1,500. 3 to 4 is 2,000. 5, 6 is 2,500. So 90-10 split. 90-10 split with the direct. Oh, once you go live, it's only 80-20. Okay. Max payouts. 50K account. 1,500, 2,500, 3,500. 1 to 2 payouts on 50K account. 3 to 4 is 20. So, oh, so they scale you with number of payouts? Keith, that's crazy. So basically, if you, on your first payout, you can only take out 1,500. On your first payout and your second payout, you can only take out 1,500. And then on your third and fourth payout, you can request more money, the 20,000. I don't like that output split. I don't really like that. I don't really like that either. 1,500 max per account. So times 5 is 7,500. Even so, it's not bad because it's only 500. So if you pass these first try, it's $500. So I mean, 500 to 7,500. Yeah, it's interesting. It's a 7x. It's a 7x, and then once you get better, damn, that's why Topstep might go. Yeah, that's why Topstep the best, bro. They just unbeatable. They just are unbeatable, y'all. I think we probably should have just got out for break even there, but we'll see. Consider switching to TPT. No max and daily payouts over the buffer. Take profit trader. I will, Pat. I like that. We the best. We the best music. We the best. I also lost money today on ES. Might lock out soon. Be patient, man. It's all right, Dangerous. Today's a weird day, bro. I lost trying this new Lucid account. Currently losing a little bit on these Topstep as well, but overall not too worried about it. We're just here. We're learning. We're getting some knowledge built. I like the rejection here at that high. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see these sellers keep stepping in here. I feel you. I feel you. Shadows on my charts. Shadows on the charts. Caesar. We lose sometimes, Shu. It's okay, King. With prop firms, we're not paid to be correct. We're just paid to make money. Seems really hard for a lot of people to get, but we're not paid to be correct with trading at the moment. Keep rejecting. I like that. Come on. Get us down there. Get us down there, kiddo. Kind of want to add into this. Gotta have thick skin in this game. Y'all got this. Yes, sir, Pat. The man knows. I think we're gonna get Ben getting squeezed. I'm gonna lock it out with a 250 on the 5x phase is a winning day. Have a good one, Tyler. Hell yeah, Matrix. Good trading, brother. That discipline to lock it out, lock in a winning day is amazing. Good shit. See you tomorrow, King. Enjoy the rest of your day, brother. I locked out for today. Got some room to play for tomorrow. Let's go, Caesar. Tomorrow's an opportunity to make some money. That's the fucking... Dude. That's the type of shit I love seeing. Good shit, bro. That's the only point. Keep yourself set up for when the market's really moving. Like, when the market's really moving, it's something to be involved in for sure. All right, we're going to add into this position. This is risky bisky, but we're going to put 2 more contracts up around this price if we get it. Limit sell 2 more. Obviously adjusting our stop loss at the moment. I'm trading a 50K Lucid with you. Let's go, Keith. Did you just get one? Did you just buy one? Because next time, bro, I got a code for you if you want to save some money. Yeah, I'm switching to practice my strategy now. This could be the same story here, Ty. Where we get tapped in and end up ripping back up and then we lose all of our money. This is where we could turn around. Oh, okay. I like that sauce. We're looking to get our contracts filled back up here for shorts. Drop the code for Lucid. Got you, brother. I'm pretty sure they haven't approved the one my actual thing. Let's see real quick. Yeah, they haven't approved it. Okay, so this is the only code we have. They haven't approved our TCAM one yet. Our actual name. I got it earlier today. Oh, hell yeah, Keith. I like it. Hopefully they can keep working for us. We're still looking for some shorts up here. It's not cool. That's the code, though, if you did want it, Elijah. It's not the coolest one yet. I'm hoping they'll update it or review us to get, like, our name or whatever. Something just a little bit easier. But this one's like Yupo Quacker. I don't even know. 510 on that short. Good job, Wildflower. Let's fucking go. Still in it. I'm still looking for this at the moment, even though we are in the range. This could be the bottom of the range, which likely it seems like it is. Us looking for it to break. It's a little risky. Hit that daily loss with you, LOL. It's the game, King. Feels bad, but it's the game. Look at it. Just sitting here staring at me with a big old red in my face. Like, ugh, gross. Go away. Looking to see if we can get our last 2 contracts filled here. Finding some strength on the other side. We're going to be back tomorrow. Yes, sir, Keith. You know it, King.
Order filled.
You know it, King. Oh, man. We're in 4 now. Stops are going to be up above this wick. Still targeting the lows. Our stop is real scary here. Holy, the strength coming in off that bottom. This bottom that we've been holding is at 50%. Choppy day. Indecisive day. We have $100 before we're locked out of these. Wildflower making that wild money. It's crazy to see how much that chat makes. I'm up 408 on the combines and I'm happy as hell. And hitting all TPs. Tomorrow we're hitting all TPs. Tomorrow none of this choppy shit. Tomorrow's all TPs. I like that, Keith. It's all right. Man, what a tough day. I know, Stigma. It's been rough. And that's okay, Kings. In Queens, it's a day. We learn, we live. We come back with more knowledge. The market moves better. We make money. It's all good. That candle was higher than Pat's testosterone. Caesar's dropping them, making me laugh and shit, bro. Love a good fucking joke. Apple's down 2.8%. Interesting. Like, why did that have to come all the way up to this wick to then just be back where we'd have 4 contracts? Like, are we serious right now? 983.25. 983.50. Do you guys see how fucking bullied I'm getting? We would have 4 contracts still in this short, but we get top ticked by a quarter of a tick right now. I can't handle it. Nasdaq's fucking me. We only have $100 in drawdown.
Order filled.
I'm short 2 here, risking the rest of the account. We're either going to be done or make some money on these and be back tomorrow. Playing this short still. No trade for me today. Missed the limit by a tick that would have hit a small scalp TP, but I've been sitting on hands through the chop. Pat, that is how you become a better trader. At the end of the day, we are just kind of just messing around. Practicing my second entries. I like that, Wildflower. I am doing the same. We got kicked out of a move that I didn't really want to get kicked out of. So now I'm trying to, you know, revenge it back. Let's see here. I'm trying to do the same thing, get better at just getting re-entries. Still kind of looking for 2 more potentially here. Can we finally get through this flat bottom? I mean, my goodness. What a range that we're setting up here. Back and forth, back and forth. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe before you leave. Keith the man. Appreciate it so much, brother. Always showing love. If you guys are not hitting that little thumbs up, it looks something like that. It means the most. If you're not subscribed, you better be. Look at the family. We're growing. Hop in. Look at the rejection. After I... Why did we... Guys, we got ticked by a quarter of a tick on this. Okay. Just want to remind you. We got ticked by a quarter of a fucking tick on this. Otherwise, we'd have 4 contracts without having taken that last loss. We'd be like pretty much these accounts would be back, but whatever. This is a big risky trade right here. I'm adding back into this. Very risky.
Order filled.
We're now 3 contracts. Hoping the EMA can hold. The reason this is risky is because this flat bottom here we've reacted off of. We already reacting off of again. Likely to find some support and push us back to the range and stop us out. But we'll see. We'll see. ES struggling to go down. So is NASDAQ. We're holding this 50% pretty strong right now. VWAP's curling aggressively as well. So we're just hanging out. Not a lot going on. Hopefully we can save 250 bucks. Consider selling one at the bottom. That would be good trading right there, Pat. It really would be. That would be good discipline all around. Let's see if we can get a reaction off of our price. Otherwise, we're going to get stopped. We only have $130 in drawdown. It's now or never. It's now or never, Saucy. We got to get this to hold. Come on. 100. A little bit more and we're out. If we push past our price, we're stopped. There's daily loss limit. Didn't trigger, though. Kind of got lucky there, actually. Holy shit. We got lucky for once. That just triggered our daily stop, but we didn't get kicked out of it. Holy shit. Maybe getting lucky. In and out like Den of Thieves. Hey, that's good. That's a good movie. In and out like the Den of Thieves. Let's see the reaction. It's 11 o'clock. We're going to be waiting for this to either stop us out or get a move, and then we're going to be done for the day. Show me some magic. Show me some magic, Nazi. The Magic Nazaract. The Nazi Nazis. Ben Vask, welcome in, King.
Order filled.
There she goes. Boom. Big old fatty max loss to the forehead, y'all. All right, gang. Another day. Tomorrow is Jolts and CPI. So, honestly, really big day tomorrow. Jeez, I got a hiccup stuck in my chest. But I appreciate you guys. Don't go on a binge of bad trading after earning all that money. Stick to the rules that got you the payouts. I like that, Wildflower. You're right. Today was a little bit loose for sure. I was just kind of poking around. I mean, at the end of the day, they are 50K combines. So $250 that we lost with these, and then $100 that I'm down with this. So about $350 that I've spent since the payouts. I agree it wasn't the most disciplined, so I appreciate the insight there. We'll bounce back. Just kind of trying to get the feet underneath us, trying to get everything set up. But I appreciate the insight. I appreciate you guys for hanging out, just showing love. It means the most. Work. See you later. Dangerous. Pat. Wildflower. Elijah. You guys, seriously, Paul, everyone here hanging out means the most. And yeah, tomorrow we bounce back. Keith too. Tyler, please be careful with the next Topstep account you get, please. Tomorrow we will, y'all. Tomorrow we'll be a little bit more serious. We'll take it for realsies. I mean, today we were too. We were trying to make money. I can't hold it. We were trying to make money today, but wasn't super invested, I guess, emotionally. But look at the sideways price action. Really, all you had to do today was just buy the bottom and sell the top with this range. So, but hit the like button, subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow, having fun, partying together. Drink some sun, get some water. And yeah, guys, take care of your mental health, and we will be back doing it again tomorrow. Peace.